Do you know what happens to a channel when you post YouTube Shorts consistently? We'll find out. So I have been doing this for over a year now, and in today's video, I just wanted to share with you how many views I've received from YouTube Shorts, how many subscribers I got, and how much I earned from YouTube Shorts. And I'll also share about some key insights that you might want to stick around for, so keep watching. So since coming out with Shorts, YouTube has been putting a lot of effort and energy into improving the Shorts experience. There's features like remixing, responding to a comment via a video, things that were already available in their competitor. At the same time though, they've taken away certain things that sort of hurt creators, in my opinion.
It does not feel good, it hurts.
So starting in August 31st, 2023, YouTube announced that links in short comments, shorts descriptions, and links in the vertical live feed were not going to be available anymore, meaning that they won't be clickable. It's just bad for creators, particularly if you are promoting a course, a service, and even affiliate links, which are all different options where creators can get revenue by posting content here on YouTube Shorts. So this past year, since October 2022, I've been posting about 300 YouTube Shorts, and that is almost one short a day if you take away the weekends and the holidays. It's about a YouTube Short a day or a YouTube Short a working day. So here are my metrics on my YouTube Shorts this past year. I have gained about a little bit over 500,000 views on YouTube Shorts, over 3,000 hours in watch time, a little bit over 1,000 subscribers, and 5 million impressions, which it isn't too bad for a boutique channel like mine.
Boutique is a euphemism for little fish.
None of my videos went internet viral, but they did go viral in comparison or in relation to the amount of views that I normally get on my channel. So as I scroll down through here, I have these organized in terms from the YouTube Shorts that got the most views to the ones that got the least views. So out of about 300 YouTube Shorts, you can see that only 8 or 9 actually broke over the 10,000 view mark, and only 4 of them actually have over 20,000 views, which isn't a ton, but not surprising considering how these short form vertical video algorithms work. And in terms of subscribers, 1,000 at the time of the making of this video. I have about 13,000 subscribers. So still the bulk of my subscribers come from my long form content. So let's quickly jump into that to take a look. As you can see from my long form videos this past year, I had over 5,700 subscribers come from there. So a significantly more number coming from long form video, surprisingly, even though YouTube has been pushing YouTube Shorts. So let's get back to YouTube Shorts. This doesn't show me all my YouTube Shorts, but there are some YouTube Shorts that have performed very poorly, maybe 10, 15 views or 100 views, which is kind of disappointing, but at the same time, again, like I said earlier, not quite surprising. And it's not that the content was any different, it was actually very similar content, but I guess it's just the way the algorithms tend to work. So there's one thing here that you're probably interested in finding out. I promised, and I'll tell you. In terms of revenue, how much money did I make from 500,000 YouTube Short views? Let's find out.
You want me to do the drum roll thing?
No, it's okay. Here goes nothing.
$20.95. That is not even a coffee a month for a full year, or maybe it is. But with inflation, probably not. And my highest performing video from 21,000 views, that made me $1.50. And that's in US, so I guess if you convert that to Canadian dollars, I get myself a coffee at Timmy's. Let me know in the comments below if you like Timmy's or not. So obviously these were not the results I was expecting to see based on the amount of effort that I put into making YouTube Shorts this past year. I was hoping that posting YouTube Shorts would grow my channel and bring more potential viewers to my long form content. But it seems like a lot of short viewers aren't really coming for long form content. And I think I know why. When you're consuming short form vertical content, you're just scrolling. If you don't like a video, you scroll past it. You like something, you may tap like, you may even subscribe, but you may not ever visit that channel from that creator. And that is a complete different browsing habit for when you're watching long form videos. Just going back to the analytics of all my long form videos, it did not seem that YouTube short viewers that came to my channel or subscribers spent too much time in my long form content. I don't know if there's a specific way to tell in YouTube analytics, I can't find that out, but if you know, let me know in the comments below, that would be greatly appreciated. Needless to say, it seems like YouTube short viewers may not necessarily be following you for long form content. So here are a few things that I have learned from posting YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts can definitely increase your subscribers, but the subscribers that you get may not necessarily be the ones that you want, may not be necessarily the ones that will stick around for your long form videos. So in other words, this category of subscribers might not be the ones that you're looking for. But if you are a YouTube Shorts channel, then definitely disregard this. So YouTube Shorts subscribers tend to just hit the subscribe button without really thinking about it. They may hit the subscribe button, watch your video once, and maybe not come back for anything else. In my opinion, the connection that you build with someone watching a YouTube short is a little bit more on the surface level as opposed to that connection that you built with somebody watching your long form videos over a period of time. So although you may be getting subscribers and views, you may not necessarily be building a community, which is really important to succeed in the long term here on YouTube. Another thing is that YouTube Shorts doesn't really pay very well. And now that YouTube has also removed the ability for you to post links on your YouTube Shorts, you can't even post affiliate links on YouTube Shorts. So my strategy moving forward here on YouTube will be to refocus a little bit more on long form videos, give them more attention, and tone down on the amount of YouTube Shorts that I create. I think I will still be posting YouTube Shorts here on my main channel, but this is not going to be my main strategy, and I'm going to spend less time focusing on YouTube Shorts and more time on the long form videos. I will still be creating them, but just not as consistently. I think the long-term game for YouTube is still long form videos, but let me know in the comments below whether you agree or not. So I did a little experiment about a year ago where I posted 60 YouTube Shorts in 60 days, and the results were actually quite interesting. If you want to find out more, there's a video here if you haven't watched it already, which you can click about now, and I'll see you there.